Uegcl's growth was driven by improved revenue streams and lower administrative costs, despite facing liquidity issues due to delayed government funding and investment shortfalls, which resulted into the shutdown of 2 diesel generators at Namamve Thermal Power Plant.
So the plant has been up and running. The challenge we have with Namamve is something we are dealing with together with something we have discussed with the shareholders, and the shortfalls in funding for maintenance activities is going to be addressed.
The power generator also secured 133 billion shillings to meet debt obligation for the Isimba hydropower project and achieved a 9.1% growth in assets, now totaling to 8.4 trillion.
We are happy to note that there has been growth, moving from 343.6 billion last year to 350.6 billion. So there is that growth, which every shareholder would like to see in their company. And in terms of assets, Karuma was brought on board. That means Uegcl received more assets which they are managing.
You know, power, you cannot really depend entirely on the private sector. Without power, the country is in trouble, because the power is needed in manufacturing, in lighting. If you really decide to limit yourself, that the private sector will be do the job for you, then you have missed it.
This financial year marked the start of Uegcl's 5-year strategic plan 2023-2028, focusing on operational excellence, sustainable growth and human capital development, aligning with the National Development Plan 4, which will run from 2025-2026 to 2029-2030. Wadulo Arnold, Mark, UBC News in Kampala.